Over the azure waters of Peru, the vitality of offshore aquaculture rafts is being stifled by rising costs and the roar of diesel engines. The limitations of traditional diesel power solutions are becoming increasingly evident. Fuel transportation is time-consuming and labor-intensive. The roaring noise interferes with work. Waste gas and wastewater pollute aquaculture water quality. A green power revolution is transforming Peru's seafood industry. Gospower, providing breakthrough solutions with customized three-phase PV storage systems, 3x6 kilowatts IP54 inverters, confronting the harsh marine environment, delivering stable, clean power for offshore operations and transportation, as the seafood conveyor belts ensure efficient freshness preservation for scallops and other seafood. It serves as a late-night beacon for aquaculture rafts, enhancing safety for nighttime operations. Now, we say goodbye to reliance on diesel generators. Lower operating costs ease business pressures. Zero emissions protect marine ecosystems. Green technology delivers a win-win for economy and ecology. Gospower, empowering global industries with tailored PV storage solutions, setting new benchmarks for green energy.